Hey there, this is B-Ray549. Thanks for watching my video. Well, today I'm going to do another tool rebuild, and it's just a small hand tool made by the Starrett company, and it's called an automatic center punch. And you can see it right here. It's on the anvil here, and this is really a great tool for metal workers, and you can see the condition it's in. Somebody really abused it. I'm not sure how it got so scarred up on this little collet here, but when I got it and disassembled it, this center punch was actually frozen into place, and it's not supposed to be. In fact, it is right now. I need to put that under the wire wheel or something and get all that gumming out of there. But it was really on there solid. I mean, it took a lot to get it unstuck. And also, there's several pieces to this tool. And even here you can see how it's been kind of ground down somehow. I'm not sure what they were thinking. And on the end here, someone actually took a hammer to this. You don't need a hammer for an automatic center punch. It's operated by mechanically. It's got a couple of springs in there, and when you push down on it, releases this little hammer, and it hammers into the back of this point here. So not sure why they took a hammer to the punch itself. And then you take this off. There's the mainspring right here, and then there we go. Look, there's the spring. Looks kind of wasted. That could be one of the reasons it's not working. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. We've got all the pieces here. So it's got, let's see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces. Actually, 7 simple pieces to this tool. Let's start off by cleaning up the outside of it. I think what I'll do is I'll take it to the belt sander and see if I can't grind off those rough edges. Okay, as you can see, I've eliminated all the damage that was done to the cone of the collet. I took a wire brush to the knurled grip of the body and cap, and on the end of the cap I've also sanded that down to remove all the hammer marks that were done by the previous owner. And you can see that this is made by the Starrett company, and it is the model number 818. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so now we're ready to reassemble it. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to try to wire brush this. See if I can't get that a bit smoother. There's the center point of the automatic center punch. So let's put this back together. So anyway, we've got all the parts here. It's actually 8 pieces. I think earlier it said 7. You've got your cap, what I call the end cap. You've got your main body, or the collar, and you've got your collet. And then the internal workings are, you have basically this center point here. You've got your mainspring, And then you've got your forward spring here, and you can see how this one is really crunched. It's just needs to be replaced. It's totally destroyed. And then you've got these other two parts. One's the hammer, and I'm not sure what the other piece is called, but they meet up in the middle. Okay, so let's see if I have a replacement for that munched up spring. Now maybe there's one in there. Who knows? There's a ton of springs in there. So I have to kind of guess what shape this was originally. And one of these might work. We got 2 and 2. I'm not sure which one will work better. So basically this spring, oops, so basically this spring would match up with this piece here, like so. And maybe that's too fat. Let's try this little skinny one here. That's still a little bit big, but we can give it a shot and see how it works. Yeah, I think this one will work. So the trick on this spring is that we need it to draw this plunger off center. Okay, so I'm gonna have to tweak the end of the spring here. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a couple loops here and kind of bend it off center, so that when you put this in, the pin is resting on the side of the spring, not in the center. Let's put this back together. First of all, the center point goes into the collet. We know that for sure. And on the other end we have this little barrel thing goes inside the collar and is pushed all the way down with this spring. This is the main spring here, and then your cap screws on there. Okay, so that side is done. Now then, these two parts are left. We have the spring and this insert here, and we're going to put that in like so. We're going to insert that into the main body like so, and we're going to assemble this, tighten that up all the way. This cap is adjustable, so when you adjust it, it adjusts how much tension there is on the spring, on the main spring. And so let's give this a shot here. I'm going to put a washer on there, and we'll see how it works. There you go. You heard that click? And not sure if you can see that. Probably not, because my camera's not that good. If you need a bigger divot taken out of that, all you have to do is do it again. And you can do it how many times you need. And maybe now you can see it. There we have it. Works great. And this tool has been restored. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Click like and subscribe if you'd like to. And as always, have a great day.